Joining me now is former LAPD homicide detective and Fox News contributor Mark Furman, along with former prosecutor criminal defense attorneys Jeffrey Gold and Joey Jackson. All right, now, Mark, I got to throw this one to you. Jeff Ruby just said that in his steakhouses, Jeff Ruby's steakhouses, he threw OJ out of his restaurant. What'd you think of that one?
Well, I knew about this prior to you interviewing Mr. Ruby. I can't remember if I actually ate in that restaurant, and it was told to me then, possibly by Mr. Ruby, but I actually knew about that. I think it's great. I think it's great when people actually act on their common sense, their intelligence, and their indignation. And, you know, the indignation that's going on here, first you have a murder. But the conduct of the defense attorneys is more damaging to their case, the way they're acting in and out of the court, than the evidence.
Well,
That's
I got to tell you, Mark,
certainly my opinion, but I think America.
Mark, let me tell you something. I'm sitting in the courtroom. I see stuff that you don't see, okay? What you've got are there's 3 of them, but there's really like 8 of them. And they turn around and they look at the peanut gallery like, how we doing? You know, it is just so different from what I'm accustomed to. And, you know, Jeff, you're in the courtroom. Am I right or wrong here?
You're absolutely right. It's the strangest thing. I mean, God love this guy for speaking out. It's what everybody had been saying. How could they say this about Stacey at a press conference? How did they get away with that? He's just said what we all have been thinking about. Everyone. There's no human being that couldn't be thinking like he actually spoke.
You know what, Judge? He's got a point. The reality is that you want to defend if you're a defense attorney, but you have to do it without being so offensive. We all have opinions, we have points of view, but when you start joking about people dying, it's inappropriate.
Well,